Welcome to this video and thank you for joining me. In this video, I'll be giving you a complete walkthrough of a custom website I created especially for you. I'll show you how it works, how to manage it from the backend, and explain the key features and functionalities step by step. Let's start by exploring the backend section of this website. This is where all the core features are managed, including accounts, campaigns, contacts, settings, and message templates. To access the backend, we first need to log in. To log in, simply click on the login button on the homepage. A login form will appear asking for your credentials. For this demo, we'll log in using the super admin account. Just type in the email and password I've provided. Check the Remember Me box if you'd like to stay logged in, and then click the login button. Once we log in, we'll be taken to the admin dashboard. This is the control center of the website where you'll find a summary of all important data. Let me explain each section of the dashboard clearly. At the top, you'll see total accounts. This shows the number of WhatsApp accounts currently connected to the system. The beauty of this platform is that it allows you to connect and manage multiple WhatsApp numbers. This is very useful, especially if WhatsApp bans or restricts any of your accounts. You can quickly switch to another one without stopping your work. Right next to it, we have the active accounts section. This shows which accounts are currently live and ready to be used. Then we have the contacts section. This is where all your saved phone numbers are stored. You can import, view, and manage your contacts from here. Below that, we have campaigns. This tells you how many marketing or messaging campaigns you've created on the platform. Next is the messages section. Here you can view the message history, including messages that are pending, in progress, or successfully delivered. It also shows you the total number of messages sent from your system, helping you track your communication performance. Now that you've seen the dashboard, let's move on to the accounts area in more detail. One thing to keep in mind is that this website supports creating multiple WhatsApp accounts. You can add, manage, and switch between accounts anytime. This flexibility is important because sometimes WhatsApp may flag or block accounts due to messaging limits or policies. So, having backup accounts ready means you never lose contact with your customers. After accounts, we have the settings section. This includes general settings like API configuration, message setup, and other technical details. Good news, I've already set up all the important configurations for you. You don't need to worry about making changes here unless you want to customize something specific later on. The next major feature we'll look at is the main WhatsApp messaging system. To use this, we'll go back to the accounts page and log in with a specific WhatsApp account. Important note, this system is designed for one administrator only. That means only you, as the super admin, will be managing everything. You'll use your main account to handle contacts, messages, campaigns, and templates. Now let's log into the account I've already set up for this demonstration. Click the login button, and once again, you'll be taken to a user dashboard. Let's explore what you can do from this user dashboard. First, you'll see your total contacts. These are the phone numbers saved for messaging. Next, you'll see the number of WhatsApp groups the account has joined. Then we have the campaigns section showing how many marketing campaigns have been launched. Following that, there's the message template section, which displays how many templates have been created for easy and fast messaging. You'll also see a section for vote replies. This is for interactive campaigns where users can respond with quick replies. At the bottom, you'll see the total messages sent, giving you a full overview of your outreach efforts. Now, let's move to another important feature, the QR code generator. You'll see a QR code on the screen that can be scanned to connect your WhatsApp device. This feature is helpful if you want to share your WhatsApp connection with other team members or devices quickly. You'll also notice that the QR code is linked to your phone number and includes a special link for easier setup. Now let's check out the chat section. This is where all your WhatsApp conversations are displayed. You'll see that I've already run a small test campaign and messaged a few people. You can view message history, sender phone numbers, and even customer replies. This gives you a real time view of your WhatsApp conversations directly from the platform. Let's now go to the campaign page. At the moment, no campaigns are showing here because I haven't created one yet, but I'll show you how it works. To create a campaign, you'll first need to create a message template. So let's go to the template section. Here, you'll see an example template I created for testing purposes. It's already approved, and it's important to note that all templates must be approved by WhatsApp and Facebook before they can be used. To create a new template, click the Create Template button. You'll be able to name your template, write the message body, and configure the type of message you want to send, such as text, image, or video messages. Once approved, these templates can be used in your campaigns to send messages more efficiently. Now let's quickly revisit the settings page. You'll see that we've already integrated several APIs for WhatsApp automation. In the future, we also plan to integrate AI chatbot features such as OpenAI Chat to automate responses and provide smart replies to customers. This will enhance the platform and make it much more powerful for business communication. And that brings us to the end of this walkthrough. I've tried to explain everything in a simple and clear manner so that you can understand the full functionality of the system. If I've made any mistakes or missed any parts, I kindly ask for your understanding. This platform is still a work in progress, and I'm actively working on improving it and adding more features. If you have any feedback, suggestions, or specific customization needs, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.